Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can keep YouTube Shorts shortcut on your home screen of your mobile. See, this is on my Moto Edge 50 mobile, and on this home screen, right away with one click, I can open the YouTube Shorts. I'll be showing you how you can do that. Okay. Just when I click on this,
Mansi.
yeah. Just for the copyright purpose, I didn't play that YouTube videos, short videos, but with one tap, yeah, just with one tap, you can actually click on the shorts and access the shorts, and you can keep the shortcut on your home screen. So, what I'll do is I'll quickly delete this and I'll add this one more time so that it will be useful for you. So on your home screen, anywhere on your home screen, give a long press. Just press and hold for few seconds. You will get widgets here, or you for few mobiles you will see the widgets at the bottom here somewhere. Okay. For my mobile, as the UI is different, it is showing up widgets option here. For new mobiles, it will be in the bottom. So click on the widgets and just scroll to the bottom, so you will see YouTube app widgets. Okay, widgets, then YouTube, and here you will find the second widget. You need to drag this and drop it anywhere you want, and from when you next time when you click on this,
Hello.
क्या होता है
and not only that, you can also pin them by clicking on pin.
क्या होता है
You can just do any other thing in the background, for example opening the Chrome or texting Instagram, and still you can play
एकदम लास्ट तक
these shorts, and you can also control. See, a background you can work, for example you're texting a friend on WhatsApp and still you can do that, but remember, maybe not every phone will have this option of pinning here on the home screen. This is my Moto Edge 50 mobile, and the OS version is Android 15. Maybe that's the reason this pinning option is there. If yeah, just check it once. If you do have this option, just from the, you need to just play YouTube video, just click on this recent tab, and here free form. Yeah, please do comment your opinion. If you feel this tutorial is helpful to you, please do hit a like and share it to your friends so that it may be helpful for others too. Yeah, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.